Hi and welcome back to Trading Strategy Testing channel, where we backtest your trading strategies and share with you tips on how to become a successful trader. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our new videos. In today's video, we are going to optimize the zigzag breakout strategy that we reviewed in the previous video by using different methods. Our goal is to increase the success rate of the strategy and cut down the drawdown rate. The strategy was suggested by Arjun, one of our subscribers from India who submitted it to us recently. You also can submit your strategy for review at 3wtstlife.com/submit. Today I will share with you how I optimize any trading strategy quickly. You can use these methods to improve your personal trading approach and reduce the number of losing trades. So stick till the end to see how we can make any strategy more profitable. The zigzag breakout is one of the best trading strategies we have ever tested on our channel. The success rate, drawdown as well as the potential profit we have made in the previous video is quite promising. The setup is also simple and can be applied easily to the forex, stock, or even cryptocurrency chart. Especially with the help of the expert advisor we are testing. I will quickly remind you of the setup. You can check out part 1 to see some trade examples and more details about the strategy. I will also leave the link to part 1 at the end of this video, so don't worry. The strategy is extremely simple. We begin by placing a buy stop order at the most recent swing high and a sell stop at the latest swing low. We will wait to see which one will be triggered first. Once one of the orders is triggered, we immediately delete the other one. The risk to reward ratio is an important element here. At first, we tried 1-to-1 and we ended up with a 53.5% success rate. The figure increased to 86.3 when we went for a 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And the drawdown decreased to 14.7% from the 24.3% we recorded at the beginning. This would lead us to our objective today. Well, what else can we do to decrease the drawdown and improve the success rate of this trading strategy even more? And what are the additional rules that we can add to our strategy to make it more profitable, and how the end result will look like? At the moment we have managed to achieve the following results. We will mostly focus on the success rate and the drawdown as the key indicators to measure how profitable is the setup. We will apply different methods to improve the performance of the zigzag breakout strategy we are optimizing today. The first method we are going to use today to filter out the losing trades is the popular 200 exponential moving average strategy. When the price is above the 200 EMA, we will only place buy stop orders. The sell stop orders, on the other hand, will only be added when the price is below the line. This is probably the most common method that traders use in forex, stocks, or other financial markets to reduce the number of false signals. We won't do that manually today, but we will activate the moving average filter by adjusting the expert advisor settings. We will keep the other backtest settings as they are in order to compare the results at the end. We are running this strategy on the 1-hour time frame. The 200 moving average is considered a key indicator by traders for defining the long-term market trends. This means you can use it to identify and trade with the long-term trend. If the price is above the 200 moving average indicator, then look for buying opportunities. If the price is below the 200 moving average indicator, then look for selling opportunities. You can also use this together with structures such as bull or bear flags. Or simply look at the 200 EMA as a support or resistance level. It can also be useful to identify the advancing and accumulating stages that usually occur after a significant spike. Excellent, we have just finished backtesting the strategy. Let's look at the results now. We can notice that the equity curve has been increasing and the drawdown is definitely better than the one we saw previously. But let's look at the detailed report. We can see that the number of trades decreased from 190 to 111, which means that the 200 moving average line helped us filtering out a total of 79 trades. The drawdown decreased from 14.7 to 9.07, which is great. The success rate, on the other hand, increased to 87.39%. Other than that, the 200 moving average filter allowed us to get 6 consecutive wins. We can clearly see that adding the 200 exponential moving average line has improved the profitability of the strategy. Let us know your opinion in the comment section. Great, before we continue optimizing the zigzag breakout strategy, let's do a quick recap. At the moment we have managed to increase the success rate of our strategy to 87.39% and decrease the drawdown to 9.07% only by adding the 200 EMA to the setup. Let's continue optimizing the strategy. At this stage, I am quite satisfied with the success rate. Of course, we are not aiming for a 100% trade as it's impossible. Unless we have an endless supply of cash and we are trading the smallest volume possible. Adding a new indicator now is not necessary. We should instead review the losing trades to see whether there is another way to decrease them or not. Let's continue watching to see the end results. If you are using MT4 to backtest your trading strategy, you might need to export the report in Excel format. The Excel report will allow you to review the losing trades. All you need to do is click Save as a report. The software will create an Excel worksheet with all the details you need. This is how the Excel file looks like. Let's learn how to use it to optimize our strategy. First, we need to select the losing trades. You can rearrange them according to the profit value. The losing trades will be moved up. We have a total of 14 trades. Each trade has 3 lines. Pending order placement, order execution, and exit. We will copy these trades and paste them on another page. Alright, we need to add 3 columns. One highlighting the day when the order was triggered, the second for the type of order, and the third one showing any major event that happened on that day. You can find the list of events on websites such as forexfactory.com. Try to focus on important events which are either in red or yellow. You can notice that the losing trades were triggered on different days. Therefore, the day is not an important factor that we can use to filter out the losing trades. On the other hand, you can notice that most of the trades were triggered on days where major news or reports were released. Days like these are known for their spectacular level of volatility. And the spreads, as well as the slippage values, are usually high during such time. So what if we set the expert advisor in a way that prevents it from placing orders when the spread is high? Are we gonna reduce the number of losing trades? Let's try and see. Alright, let's adjust the expert advisor. The maximum allowed spread is initially 5 pips. Let's bring it down to 1.5 pips. That means that if the spread is above 1.5 pips, the order will not be triggered. Therefore, the EA will be inactive during major news. The reason why we choose 1.5 pips is the fact that we are using an ECN broker that offers low spreads. Feel free to check out our affiliate link in the video description if you want to open a Forex account with our Tier 1 recommended Forex broker. We have just finished backtesting. Let's look at the final report. Awesome, we have managed to filter out 2 losing trades. The success rate went up from 87.39% to 89%. We also made 8 consecutive winners and reduced the drawdown from 9.07% to 8.4%. I think the strategy is ready to be tested in live market conditions using a demo account. Here is the summary of the strategy optimization process. We have managed to increase the success rate and reduce the drawdown of our trading strategy using 3 simple methods. Do you want us to try this with other strategies? Let us know in the comment section. What do you think? Should we start a live stream video on this channel where we run a live account using this expert advisor? We still need to run this on a demo account first, of course. See you soon and happy trading.